Wait. Where you going?
Okay, look. All right. So seriously, right? We got to get you on this workshop. But here's what we're going to do. We're going to give you a little sneak peek, right? And how much is it going to cost?
$2.
$2. All right, $2. We got to get you in, right? So here's what we did, right? Steve and I actually sat down and we created this amazing blueprint. We're going to give you the mind map. We're going to show you exactly how all of this works. And we're going to give you the actual recording that we did explaining this whole entire process, where you're going to learn the very best in the whole entire course creation strategy. And you're going to be able to create a course in how long?
7 minutes.
7 minutes,
For
right?
$2.
So just for $2, right? So make sure, look, you gotta become a part of our world, right? Like, we're crazy and you're gonna love it, right? So go ahead and click the button down below, lock it in. It's only
$2. 7 minutes, $2.
It's only $2, right? So click the button down below, lock in your access. We got a special little bundle waiting over there, and we got a surprise bonus for you as well, right? Click the button. See you there.
See you there.